Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to fix these yellow lights, these new halogen bulbs that I put in. I just don't like the old yellow look. It only lasted one day. I like the new clear lenses, but I don't like the old yellow look. So we're going to be changing out the bulbs in these halogen headlights right here and seeing what the pattern looks like. Now the lenses are beautiful. It cost me like $125 for two. I don't think you can go wrong on a deal like that. It makes the vehicle look a lot newer. But when you turn on those old headlights, let me turn them on now. When you turn on these old headlights, these old style halogens, which I remember when they used to be new style, they're just a little bit on the yellow side. 3K, I believe. 3K on the Kelvin scale. I think they look kind of cool when you're looking at the lens, but when you're looking at the road, that yellow light just doesn't quite get it. So, package just got dropped off today, and let's see what's in the box here. We got a pack of 4 honks LEDs. Now let's see. These are 9005s and 9006. That's low beam and high beam. And we're going to be opening up the box, see what the little kit looks like, and installing them in the car. Be right back. We got some nice packaging. And free gift. Amazon has encouraged customers to share their shopping experience. Here's the instructions for the honk LED headlight kit user's manual. Now I know there's probably brighter ones, there's nicer ones, but I want the most bang for the buck. I went with the heat sink style that don't have a fan. I didn't want the fan to any kind of fan that's going to quit on me. Of course, if you don't have good cooling, the LED might quit on you. So we're going to be checking this out. Now, there's supposed to be 4 of them in here. So it must be double-decker packaging. That's what I'm guessing. Oh, it comes with the white gloves, so you don't get your fingers on the lenses. And these are the 9006s. And I believe the 9006s are the low beams. And we got the nice cotton gloves. Let's see what the manual says. Operating voltage 12 volts, IPC67 waterproofing. We got CSP LED component, 6063 aluminum heat sink material. Aluminum heat sink is the cooling. We are 6 to 6500 Kelvin temperature. And the installation. All right. So now I need to take the headlight out. Take off the dust cover. There's a halogen bulb. Here's a high beam. Right there. Halogen bulb. Now, the question is how these HIDs are going to fit, because they're supposed to be clocked at 3 o'clock and 6 o'clock. So 9006s. Now let's see how they go. Some people say they fit a little bit loose. Well, that one clocked perfect. Now it's not as snug as a factory headlight. Some people say they put some tape around these little tangs. Some people said they put a rubber band around it. So that one clocked good. And let's see how the high beam clocks. We got to take the high beam out first. Of course, these are aftermarket lenses, and who knows about the fit on them if they're very precise. Okay, that's the high beam. Now this one still has to be twisted. I haven't got it locked all the way yet. There it goes. Okay. Now that one is clocked vertical instead of horizontal, which it's a high beam. So we're going to get these on here and try them. Now they stick out a little bit further than normal. So let's see how this. Well, the dust cover does go on. This one won't be a problem. This one went in tighter than the other. I am so curious to see how these are going to work, because I was going to go with retrofit HID kit. Okay, so this LED is vertical and this LED is horizontal, which the reflectors are really vertical. Let's go check it out now. Let me be right back, guys. So there's the brights. Now I'll have to check that out on the road. It could be a little bit scattered. There's a look at the brights. I think since brights need to go everywhere, that I think that that'll shoot down the road fine, but we will have to try it out. So this is the other headlight, and it's going to be more of the same, just the exact same procedure. Okay, so this would be a 9006. 9005. 9006. So I wonder if the clocking is the same on the 9006. The 9006 and the 9005. Yeah, the clocking is the same. Yeah, I know, guys. I didn't use my nice white gloves. Didn't use my nice white gloves. Okay, so that one is in. Plug and play. Everything fits. This one here, the high beam is a little bit harder to reach because it's in a smaller chamber here. All right. Now that other one I wasn't paying attention. Had good enough attention when I clocked it. So this one I was. And that one went the same way. It went horizontal instead of vertical. Now, some of these bulbs you can buy, I guess they have an Allen wrench come with them and they're adjustable. These aren't adjustable. I'll see how the high beams look. High beams aren't as touchy as the regular ones because you know they're gonna blind everybody anyway in the high beam mode. So that's all there is to it. Let me get this one in the car and I'll be right back. Well, the bulbs are in. The lenses are back in place. Bolted down. Let's see how they look. Well, we're back to the HID look. I think they're as bright as the HIDs. Got the nice white look instead of the yellow look. And let's try the high beams. Oh, that was the high beams. Okay, there's the low beams. Low beams are nice and flat. I think I can lower this side over here a little bit. I think they're going to be too high because I raised them because the yellow lights weren't reaching down the road very far. Okay, so the last one was the high beams and the headlights, which they run in tandem when they're on. This is just the low beams. And there you are. I'm going to make an adjustment on that side over there. And I had no plans to put in LEDs or HIDs. I was just going to change the lenses, but now I got to go for these old yellowed out fog lights. I haven't decided if I'm going to stay with the OEM style or if I'm going to put in some LEDs with them, some halos. Really, these are overpriced. I probably would go with some halos with LEDs. We'll see. I haven't decided on that. But guys, if you like that little installation here of the HIDs, please hit like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.